This is the ShadoWorkz HiCapa Carbine kit. These are the parts of the ShadoWorkz HiCapa Carbine kit. First is the main body. This is 3D printed using FDM system with ABS plastic material. The surface finish is after print. Next is the rail mount. This is where the HiCapa will be mounted. Front, charging handle, the fake bolt. These two will replace the iron sight on the pistol. Two types, one is for TM and for WE. AW or WE. This is for TM, like iron sight mounting point. Then the fat stock. This is a Chris Vector style, and a folding one like this. Okay, let's do the assembly. First is to install the rail mount. Take this little 3mm bolt. Take the Allen key and just insert it here. Careful, do not over tight it or it will break. This is just a 3D printed plastic, so remember that. Next is the front. Take this longer 5mm. Nut. Then the other two 3mm. There. Now for the charging handle, just insert it here. Make sure it is freely sliding like this. These two or this fake bolt will be installed in the HiCapa pistol. So let's set it aside here. Next is the fat stock. There. This last bolt is for the mounting on the pistol. This will hold the pistol in place. So there you go. For the installation, here is the HiCapa pre-HiCapa 4.3. This one is old and the threads are broken here. So just to show you, if you're using a HiCapa or AW, you're going to use this one, the one with the bolt. Just remove the rail, not the rail, the iron sight, and replace it with this one, like this. Just screw it here and it will hold. Since this is broken, I'm going to show you the other HiCapa I have. This is a TM 4.3. I already installed the fake bolt for TM or TM like HiCapas. This will fit also for SW01. So let's start for the installation. First is to unscrew this one. This one, and last this one. Now take your HiCapa . Open the rail mount, slide the pistol. When installing it, make sure the edge of this fake bolt will not hit this part and this edge will not hit this part. Okay, so you should be in the middle. Just insert it like this. Also make sure that this charging handle is at rest, like this. There. Lock it with this bolt. Align it first. There. Again, do not over tight. Then to secure the rail mount, okay, we're done. So to charge it, just pull this on. Oh, remember that the charging handle should have this kind of play. This is to avoid the charging handle hitting the edge of the fake bolt. like this. We're done.